Your landing page is often the first and sometimes only chance you get to make an impression on a potential customer. It's not just about looking good, it's about converting visitors into action. In this lesson, we'll explore what makes a landing page high converting and how to design one that truly delivers. Start with a clear value proposition. In the first few seconds, visitors should understand what your product does, who it's for, and why it matters. Your headline should be simple, benefit-focused, and specific. Avoid jargon. Make your message crisp and compelling. The subheadline should support your main claim. It's a chance to add more detail, explain your unique advantage, or highlight a core use case. This section helps visitors understand how your product solves their problem. Next, focus on visual hierarchy. Use layout, spacing, and font size to guide the reader's eye. Your most important message should stand out. Supporting information should flow naturally beneath it. Keep the design clean. Avoid clutter and distractions. Strong visuals can make a big impact. Use high-quality images, product screenshots, or short videos that show your product in action. Don't just tell people what it does, show them. Visuals help build trust and communicate features faster than words alone. Social proof builds credibility. Add testimonials, case studies, user logos, or metrics that show real-world value. If you've been featured in the press, include badges. If you have happy users, let them speak for you. The call to action, CTA, is the most important element on the page. Make it clear, prominent, and action-oriented. Use verbs that tell users exactly what to do, like get started, try free, or book a demo. Avoid vague phrases like learn more. Your CTA should be repeated at multiple points, especially on long pages. Reduce friction by keeping forms short. Ask only for essential info. The easier it is to take the next step, the more conversions you'll get. Landing pages should be focused. Don't try to do too much. Each page should have one clear goal, whether that's signups, downloads, purchases, or demos. Remove anything that distracts from that goal. Every element should support the user's decision to act. Speed and responsiveness matter. Make sure your page loads quickly and looks great on all devices. Test it on phones, tablets, and desktops. A slow or broken page is one of the fastest ways to lose a potential customer. SEO can help bring traffic, but conversions are your priority. You want visitors to take action, not just browse. Use analytics tools to track user behavior, run A/B tests on different headlines or CTAs, and continuously optimize. If your product isn't ready yet, a simple pre-launch page can still convert. Offer early access, collect emails, or build a waitlist. Create curiosity and highlight the problem you're solving. Use urgency or exclusivity to encourage signups. Above all, speak to your users. Understand their pain points, their language, and their hesitations. Your landing page isn't about your product, it's about your users' transformation. Make it about them. Let's design a landing page that not only looks great, but drives real results.